Do you prefer your board Xbox controller to look like this or this?
Hell yeah.
What's good, everybody? This is JC from Balance Wings, and what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to jazz up this boring Xbox controller and use these fantastic ExtremeRate face plates. You can pick them up from Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description. Now I just want to use. I see these and I like it because it got a wood look to it, and even though it's not real wood, but you're going to impress your friends and whoever come to your house or want to use a controller. So in this packet, it comes with these right here. It comes with a pair of tools. It comes with the sponge or whatever they call it. I call it the prying tool. It comes with this T6. I think it's a T6, and it comes with some spare screws, as you can see right here. And this is the face plate, and it's a nice soft touch material. Wow, this is sweet and nice. Again, it's not real wood, but the soft touch feels so premium. It feels very good. I'm impressed. Wow. And this is the back plate. Wow. Yeah, this feels really good. This feels really good. I can't wait to use this. I just gotta take this bad boy off. Anyway, and these are the side things right here. See how this feels. Oh yeah. Trust me, if people did not know better, they would think it's real wood the way it feels. It feels very premium. I'm impressed with this bad boy here. So let me try to open this bad boy up. Alright. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up my Xbox controller and just go ahead and just do my thing. So I got this pry tool right here. So I'm just gonna get to work right now. Just open the side. And just pop it open. Oops. Sometimes these things can be a pain. So you just press down the trigger. And just prop it up. Boom, there you go. This one to the side. And the next one. Hold the trigger down. Boom. That's two. Throw to the side. Now behind this sticker right here, there's a screw. So I'm just going to like to move it nice and easy. You want to be very gentle. You don't want to rip the paper. So just gently move this paper right here. Let me just take my time. Ooh. Oh, this thing is really sticky. And there it is. This is the screw right here. So I'm going to pop out this T6 screwdriver and just screw the screws. And I would advise you to put it to the side. You don't want to lose them because they can be a pain. Remove them like this. Two. And unfortunately they're not magnetic, so it's going to be flying all over. But if you want, I got the toolkit right here. Let me show you real quick. This toolkit, I got it from Amazon. Got everything you need to work on your phones and your controller. It's all the tools right here. Got all the different screwdrivers, the T6s and everything. Prying tools, the brush, the cloth. I'll leave the link in the description so you could pick it up and start to get to work. This job is pretty tedious, but once you take your time, you can get through it. It's not that bad. Screws. I didn't screw it out enough. So put them aside. So we've got 5 screws. Now with this bad boy right here, just gently take it off. See, nice and easy. Just put it to the side like that. And for the face plate, just gently take it off. And this is it right here, the Xbox controller in all its nakedness. So I'm just going to simply slide this bad boy on like this, and it fits like a glove perfectly. See, it fits perfectly like a glove. Now for the back part, just going to slide the back panel on. Hope I'm doing it right. Oh yeah. Yeah, it fits perfectly. See? Fits perfectly on. Oh my gosh. It feels so good. The soft touch feels really, really, really good. Oh my goodness, it feels really good. I can't stress how much how good this thing really feels. Okay, let me get focus real quick. Let me just get back to focus. Wow, this thing feels really good. We'll screw this bad boy in. So as you can see with ExtremeRate back panels, they fit perfectly with the original Xbox controller. Now, with third-party controllers, I'm not so sure. I don't think these are fitted perfectly for third-party controllers. But if you have a standard Xbox controller, yes, it will fit perfectly without a shadow of a doubt. So, let me just go ahead and just finish up this video right here. So, I know you guys are going to ask that question, so let me repeat it again. These things are perfectly fitted for Xbox controller. So if you have a third-party Xbox controller, it will not fit it. Alright? Because sometimes these third-party Xbox controllers, they got some different designs. Let me give you a perfect example. I got the third-party Xbox controller right here. I just change the buttons out of this. So you can have a Super Nintendo buttons. It looks pretty cool, isn't it? The difference is with the third-party controllers, you're going to have these weird grooves and whatnot. And the fitting is going to be off. So to use these faceplates from ExtremeRate or any other one you see on the web, it won't fit the third-party controller. Original Xbox controller, yes, because that's what it's made to fit specifically for. Let's put these screws back in real quick and just wrap this video up. So I hope I answered you guys' questions, but still, you can leave your comments. You know me, I'm always quick to respond to you guys' comments, cause that's what I do. Okay, good. Like I said, just need to give a little bit tension. All right, so I think I got everything perfectly fine. Everything perfectly fine, but I want to do something real quick. Let me just see something real quick. I think I made a mistake, but I hope I didn't. Let me see. Yeah, I know I did something. I know I made a mistake somewhere. What I forgot to do, I forgot to take this metal part off the original controller. So what you got to do, just remove it. Just remove from the back like this. That's what I forgot. Just slide this bad boy off. It should slide off easy. I just gotta press it down so it does slide down. Okay. Boom. Alright, just like that. And now just gotta slide this bad boy in here. I think I did it wrong. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? All right, there we go. That's what I meant to do. Boom, slide it back here, and now we're official. Now let's go ahead and screw this bad boy back into place. So I put these things on the side right here. It's a simple snap. I think it's a simple snap. Boom, yeah, simple snap like that. Almost forgot. I'm so excited. I'm jumping the gun here. You just go like this. Get it on nice and neat. What am I doing? I'm too excited. I need to calm down. I'm too excited. Boom, perfect. Snap on just like that. Right, looks good. Looks good. Now for the back. The battery cover, I should say. Boom. There you have it. The fantastic controller faceplate from ExtremeRate. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. If your friends come over, if you did not tell them it's not real wood, they would not believe you, or they wouldn't even know if you tell them it's not real wood. But this feels good. The soft touch material, ExtremeRate, this feels great. Anyhow, this is the boy JC. Thanks for tuning in to Balance Wings. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.